How to enroll in the course. So it's very simple. So first you land on this page and then you can simply click this button, contact, and you will find my contact information over here. And if you want to WhatsApp us, you can just click on it. And if you want to email, just click on it. Now, what is the pricing for the course? Now, since this is an invite only course, so you will be receiving an invite from someone and they would be the ones who would be telling you the pricing. So it varies from place to place. So that is why it will not be judicious for me to comment on the pricing at the moment. So because this is an international course and a lot of people from different countries would be joining in, so it's preferable that uh, whoever is recommending you the course would uh, should tell you the price. And in case you have any doubt, please use the same contact information or the number to reach out to us, and I would be happy to help you. Thank you.